I'm back. I'm back. I don't own the rights to this music. I do not own the rights to this music. Please don't fucking mute me. Please don't mutinize me. Don't mute me. No matter how far, could be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are. Nothing else matters. No, nothing else matters. It's raining. It's raining. It's folking raining. And it won't stop. It won't stop raining. Let me ask me neighbor if it's ever going to stop raining. I'm going to ask her. I just saw her pull in. She lives right over there. I'm going to ask her. I'm going to say, hello, neighbor. Alexa, pause. Here she comes. Let's ask her. Let's say, hello, my neighbor. Is it ever going to stop raining? TikTok needs to know.
It's better.
She said it's better. Thank you. It's gone. I love your hair. Oh my God, that's beautiful. She is so awesome. All right, let's get Alexa back. Alexa, continue. Alexa, continue. She said it better, which really wasn't an answer. I don't know if it's ever going to stop. I'm thinking about building an ark. Call me Big Bad Wolf Noah. Can you make faces like this? Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, brother. Is it gonna stay? You might fall over. Look at me fucking beard. It's so fucking gnarly. Because of this weather. What up, guys? I really need to put it in a ponytail. I do not own the rights to this music. God, I feel like I'm weltering away. I'm so fucking skinny. It's like, where did my man boobs go? Where did the fucking man boobs go, bro? Nah, I love it. I gotta start working out. I need to get my weight set fixed. Some asshole fucking lifted too much and broke the cable. So my weight set, my cable's broken. I ain't got the money to fix it. The struggle is real. And I had one dumbbell because I threw my other one at somebody and it broke. Can I afford to go to Walmart and buy another one? No. Don't make me start dancing in the rain. I'm thinking about stripping naked. Well, down to my underwear. And dancing in the rain for you guys. Wouldn't that be fun? I haven't had enough beers yet. Not yet. Alexa, skip. Alexa, skip.
Put your love
that? What are you begging me? What are you gonna fucking beg me? Don't beg me. Don't beg me. You ever seen somebody's face go that purple? High blood pressure, baby. This could be the day. This could be the day I say goodbye.
Anytime I see you, let me know. But the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, cause I don't wanna lose you.
Ra-ta-ta. I gotta go get beer. I've gotta go get a couple beers. I'm almost out of beer. How the fuck does that happen? I'm not even drunk. Look at me. Not even drunk. I'm drinking like 6 beers. I haven't even got a buzz. Broken man that I don't know. Won't even stand there and dance to me. My soul, why we chilling? Why we chasing? Why the bottom? Why the basement? Why we got this shit and embrace it? Why the feel for the need to replace? I had to fix the color on my fin. My fin color is all fucked up because I put some extra color. And so yeah, my face is not this red. It's really not. It's the camera. I'm begging you to put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging you to put your love in the hand. I want to eat this can so bad. I'm finding hard. I really do. I really do. I really want to eat this can. But I'm gonna control myself. I'm begging you, put your love in the hand now, baby. I think I got like 2 left. Wanna go check with me? Put your love in the hand now, begging you. Let's go look. Let me pull the cord. Let me pull the rip cord. Look at the fucking rain. I'm begging you. Let's see what the critters are up to. There's Rolo hanging out in the kitchen. There's Sunny Girl, who is in trouble. Sunny Girl was caught pissing on the porch because she refuses to go out in the grass. And I caught her. So now she's not allowed to go out of her cage until she goes to the bathroom. And every time I say, let's go to the bathroom, she runs back in her cage. So, and then there's Mango, Wango Tango, who got in trouble earlier for chewing up papers when she knows she's not supposed to. Get that fly, girl. Get that fly. Get that fly, Mang Mang. So, yeah, she's not allowed out either. And Rolo's just being a dick. Sitting in the kitchen until I move that, just because he's a lazy fuck. Well, let's see what we got. I'm a poor motherfucker. Yep, I was right. 2 beers. 2 beers. And I think I got one on the table. Nope. Look at the fucking mess. I've been depressed. Lately, I'm not gonna lie. I've been a little depressed. And that's why my place is such a mess. So that's the deal, brothers and sisters. I've been a little depressed lately due to the fucking rain. Well, the sun gives me energy. The sun gives me power. The sun gives me life. And when I don't have the sun, I get depressed. Well, because my bones hurt, my arthritis, whatever. Excuse me. And, yeah. So I've been depressed for like, I don't know, a week. I've been kind of depressed. I've been sleeping a lot. When the sun's out, I never sleep. I take the medication now, which keeps me from being manic. But what it doesn't do is it doesn't keep me from being depressed. Now I'm finding this out. So it fucking sucks.
Always been psycho.
Because I've always been psycho. I do not own the rights to this psycho fucking music. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Two left. Two left. What does that mean? It means I gotta go to the freezer and grab another pack. Because I do make sure I got cigarettes. Fuck food. Well, that's why I'm losing weight, because I don't eat that much anymore. And I ride my bike fucking constantly. Every day, I'm on the bike. But, fuck food. Who needs it? I drink a lot of water. I drink quite a few beers. And
I'm so insecure, I think that I'll die before I drink.
smoke a lot of pot.
I'm so caught up in the news of who likes me and who hates you. And I'm so tired that I might quit my job, start a new life. And they'd all be so disappointed, cause who am I if not exploited? And I'm so sick of 17. Where's my fucking teenage dream? Someone tells me one more time. Enjoy your youth.
I like this music.
Cry, and
A lot of people don't know about what this music is.
anxious and nothing can help. And
I
I wish
know.
I'd done this before.
God, look at the grades. Look at the grades. I gotta dye this shit. I gotta start drinking faster too, because I'm not getting drunk. I'm not even getting a fucking buzz.
It's brutal out of here.
What I'm regretting is I'm gonna have to ride my bike in the rain to go get more beer unless my friend gets back from shopping and calls me or texts me and says, "What are you doing?" I'll say, "What are you doing? You want to run me to the store, or do you want to pick me up some beer? I'll pay you when you get here." But it's only, I don't know what it is, 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock. I have no concept.
Brutal out of
When
here.
you're retired, time is just a fucking number, and daylight and darkness. That's all it is. Days, every day's Friday. Every day's the weekend. Let's bring you up. I hate talking to you when you're down there. Will it stay? I feel like I'm leaning. Uh-oh. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yoo-hoo. I'm ready to smoke a J, but then I'll be too mellow, so I'm not. I ain't gonna smoke till later tonight. Fuck that. Sorry about that. I didn't want to swallow it. It's gross. That's gross. Alexa, skip. Let's see what else I don't own the rights to. Metallica. One of my favorites. You know what I want to hear? Fuck that. I'm going to play a song. Alexa, play Wolf the Man by Metallica.
A Wolf and Man by Metallica on
Oh,
Amazon Music.
So I don't get it right. She's got to correct me. She's such a bitch. Alexa, turn it up. Alexa, turn it all the way up. God, that's as loud as it goes. Alexa, turn it up. As loud as it goes. Oh, look at the puppy. Look at the puppy. Oh, my neighbor's got the cutest puppy. Is this rain ever gonna stop? I can't take it. I have to go to the store soon. I have one more beer. I'm gonna get wet. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. Shape shift. Back to the meaning of life. This is my song. I do not own the rights to this music. I do not own the rights to this music. Shape shift! You know I shape shift, brother. You know I'm a wolf. He's got a cooler full of beer. I know that ain't food in that cooler. Life! Yes, if my neighbors want to know, I am doing a YouTube video right now. I'll make you famous. We do it for the YouTube, we do it for the TikTok. We do it for our friends. So they can see, what's that crazy fucker up to? Now you know. Excuse me. Have a good one. Shapeshifter, baby. Big bad wolf. Back to the meaning, back to the meaning of life. A lot of traffic on the street today. What's up with that? See ya, cigarette. Alexa, continue the music. Alexa, play heavy metal. Let's switch it up. Let's switch it the fuck up. Let's bite some cans. Excuse me. Let's turn it up.
I wake up every morning with my head up in a daze. I'm not sure if I should say this, fuck, I'll say it anyway. Everybody tries to tell me that I'm going through a phase. I don't know if it's a phase, I just wanna feel okay. But the question still remains, is this post-traumatic stressing or am I suppressing rage? And my doctor tries to tell me that I'm going through a phase. Yeah, it's not a fucking phase, I just wanna feel okay. With this bullshit every day, yeah, it's probably cause my demons simultaneously rage.
Another way out, but I don't think God likes my idea of a way out. Not fun.
I think I'm going nowhere like a rat trapped in a maze. Every wall that I knock down is just a wall that I replace. I'm in a race against myself. I try to keep a steady pace. How the fuck will I escape if I never close my case? Oh my god, I keep on stressing. Every second that I waste is another second sooner to a blessing I won't take. But my therapist will tell me that I'm going through a stage. Yeah, it's not a fucking stage.
I smoke. I fucking smoke. When I finish this cigarette, I'm going to show you a trick. If I remember. If I don't, remind me. It's got to be that big. And I'm going to show you a little trick. A way out. It was not fun. Walking the dog. My neighbor is walking the dog. And I'm not talking about a yo-yo. You know that trick? They had a yo-yo when you were a little kid. And you would walk the dog. The shit I think of in my head. It's crazy. It's like this leaning phone. This phone makes me want to lean. Break down. We're way out. And it won't tighten anymore. I don't understand why. I don't understand why. Why? I'm starting to catch a buzz. I'm starting to finally catch a buzz. Smoke rings in the wind. Who can do that? Challenge me. Good song. God, now it's raining harder. Rain, motherfucker, rain! What is this? I'm stuck on my porch doing TikToks and YouTubes. And drinking beer. And smoking too many cigarettes. And my dogs don't even want to go out. It's insane. How you doing, brother? That was weird. My neighbors sometimes can be weird. Marilyn Manson. Beautiful people, you fucking beautiful people. I like my neighbors. I'm gonna miss them when I'm gone. there. I haven't forgot you. I'm going to show you guys a trick. I'm going to show you a trick. So pay attention. Pay motherfucker attention. Very closely. Very, very closely. They're beautiful people. Beautiful people. Beautiful people. I gotta get a laptop, man. Once I get a laptop, my videos are gonna be so much better. Editing is the shit. I can't wait. Next month, I'm buying a fucking laptop. I don't give a fuck. No wind, baby. No wind. Down with the sickness. You ready? How'd you like that? I didn't. Tastes like ashes. Ah! But anyway, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Maybe. It's been like 27 minutes. 27-minute video. Ready? Ready? Charles. Slowly changing. Did it come my lip? Nope. In my reflection, and suddenly it changes. Violently it changes. No looking back. Opened up your demons. Come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and won't you listen to me? Inside you, where you going? Where the fuck you going? Feel the road has died and mystificated your name, but you give it to me. And you're having some trouble in dealing with these changes, violently these changes. Oops. World is a scary place with these fake ass fucking viruses. Fuck you. I'm gonna get my last beer. I'm gonna sign off for now with this song, The Sickness. I'm sick of the fucking sickness. You hear me? I'm sick of it. Fuck you, fake ass fucking virus. And Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, whatever fuck her name is, suck my fucking dick.